Let's just imagine. What if you could earn up to $300 per day just by typing names online? I mean, how cool is that? No worries, in today's video, I will explain to you the entire process in detail. Whenever you type a new name, let's say Alex or Peter, you get paid instantly. Try another name, Paul for instance, well that's more profit. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online these days. You can earn up to $20 for simply typing one single page, $100 for 5 pages. So imagine if you complete 20 pages a day. That's $400 profit. Well, I let you imagine the rest. The best part is that there is absolutely no limit to the amount you can earn. You can do it on your phone or laptop, so you don't have to worry about the device you're using. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. Your location won't matter here. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the registration process because it's a little bit complicated and most people miss this opportunity of making money online as they don't do it properly. We can estimate how much money we can make from this new opportunity using the information available on this page. The first thing is the rate per word, which means how much money you can earn for every word you type. In this case, it's as up as 20 cents US dollars for typing one single word. In general, a page that includes around 300 words, like this one, took me around 5 minutes to complete. You just need a nice cup of coffee to do it. Well, if we do the maths, that could make us a profit of up to $4. With some experience, we can make around $6 per page. If we do 10 pages, for instance, that's a $60 profit. Of course, at that stage, typing 300 words could take us less than 3 minutes to complete. So lesser time and higher profit. This is a very simple way to make some side income. So with just some effort, you can complete 20 pages every day, which means you can easily earn up to $300 just by typing names on this website. Without any further ado, the website we will be using today is called TalentDesire.com, a platform where you can earn money online from home without investing a dime. This platform serves clients in more than 121 countries around the world. They provide many opportunities to make money online to people like you every day. You just need to create an account and join their fast-growing army of freelancers. If we scroll down, we can get a better idea about the different projects you can work on. This website offers various ways to make money online, including language translation jobs, paid survey gigs, affiliate marketing jobs, and even more. Honestly, there are options for everyone. No matter how good you are with computers, you can begin working on this platform and make money immediately. No worries, I will share with you some tips to give you a massive advantage over the other freelancers working on this platform. Keep watching to find out. But today, we're going to focus more on online typing jobs because everyone can do them, and it is one of the highest paying tasks you can do on this website as it requires no prior training or experience in technical skills at all. Now take a look at this. You can earn up to $27,000 or more per year, and you should expect up to $1,125 per month. It is a great source of income if you consider the time it takes you to complete these tasks. Before we continue, welcome to our channel where I teach you methods and how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. What about the joining fees? Well, it's absolutely free. There is no hidden fee to pay before or after joining. No need to make any investment at this stage. Your earnings depend on your experience on this website. The more time you spend working on this platform, the higher will be your income. That makes total sense. You don't need to be fluent in English, by the way. Only some basic knowledge of internet and English is needed. You need to be familiar with typing words in English using a keyboard. The website is looking for people who can type a minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute. You don't have to worry about this at the moment, as I will be sharing with you a method to make it way faster. Time is worth money, and the faster you type, the more money you could make. You can scroll a bit down to learn more about the project. You just need to be above 16 years old, plus hold at least a secondary or high school diploma. Well, if you are happy with all the conditions, you can hit on Apply Now. You will need to complete a few steps, which will only take around 15 minutes. So right now, let me share with you a first bonus tip that can help you earn a higher rate. I want you to go to Ratatype.com. I usually use this website to speed up my typing skills whenever I have some free time. You can simply take a free typing test by clicking on this yellow button right here. That will then take you to this page where you can practice typing. This website will offer you a certificate and allow you a chance to improve the accuracy and speed of your typing. You can also obtain a free certificate that demonstrates your proficiency in typing. This could be used in applying for typing projects, and you can also add it to your CV if you apply for any offline job. The typing certificate is to boost your earning rate per page. If you want to double up your earnings for every single page that you type, this certificate will help you. Well, even if you are a complete beginner, but you have the certificate that proves that you can type efficiently, your application will be approved way faster. You will get more high-paying offers and unlimited job projects. All things considered, that's going to allow you to make up to $200 per day by simply typing names. When you start typing words or sentences on this website, the platform begins calculating how many words you can type per minute and also give you an idea about your typing accuracy. Your accuracy should be above 95%. The higher your accuracy, the more projects you can get. By taking a typing test and getting a certificate on this website, you can show the clients that your typing speed and accuracy can meet their expectations, and therefore get a higher payout rate. All right, let me show you a step-by-step process on how to get the typing certificate for absolutely free in less than 10 minutes. Once you land on this website, click here on this yellow button to begin typing. You can choose other languages if you want, but remember that most projects on TalentDesire.com are in English. Anyways, once you get to the next page, you will be asked to type the sentence here. Avoid looking at your keyboard when typing the words that will give you an accurate result. Once you have finished typing, the platform is going to show you your typing speed right here. Don't worry if your speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 95%. You can actually go back to Ratatype.com and take the typing test again. This is 100% free, and you can take the test over and over until you get the desired results. Once you get the result that you're satisfied with, you can sign up for a free account by clicking on this button right here. To sign up, just fill out your name, email address, and password, and agree to their terms and conditions before clicking on the sign up button. After that, you can now log into your brand new Ratatype account. This is what your dashboard would look like from the inside. You can find here your typing speed and accuracy. When you scroll down below, you can see here your certificate. Click on it so you can see it in the bigger picture. This is signed by Ratatype.com to verify that this certificate is real. And with this, you can get paid a much higher rate. Now you can print this certificate by clicking this button down here. Don't worry because you can also do this on your mobile phone. You just have to save the certificate as an image or PDF file. Once you get your certificate, you can now begin to apply for online typing jobs. Once done, you just need to return to Talent Desire website to set up your account. I will put all the necessary links in the video description. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. Honestly, it is not easy to access the registration form. Somehow you need to visit multiple pages before getting to the right place where you can submit your registration. Anyways, you need to fill up this form and provide information about your location and available times. Make sure that all your contact details are correct because that's where you will receive notifications when a project is assigned to you. You can choose from a wide range of payment options such as PayPal, wire transfer, and Skrill. So for me, I choose PayPal because I would like to avoid any issues when it comes to receiving my earnings. With that being said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer. And I'll try to make videos about that as well. That was all for today. Feel free to check out the other videos on this channel if you are looking for more ways to make money online. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future money-making methods. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.